Alright guys, what's up? So we don't come back now. I'm going to show you quickly how to create a new document. So let me just close this, right? Save changes now. So I'm going to go back to my home. This is my desktop. So locate CorelDRAW icon. If you're not there, you usually go there inside Windows, right? Go there inside your tools for here. Go there inside this your app, just this menu here. All the apps they show for there. So I'm just going to locate my one because it's on my desktop, and I go press enter. So it go initialize, then it go load the applications, and then boom, we have CorelDRAW opened in front of us. So the next thing wey you go do now, there are various ways to do this. Is either you go to file, you press, you come tap this one for here using your mouse, or you simply just press this one wey get plus for here, right? Or you simply come press this one wey dey here, right? Or you just go your keyboard press Ctrl N, na the same thing. So what I did now is I pressed Ctrl N on my keyboard. So once e come like dis, na you go even decide. Interesting fact na sey you fit even leave dis one as untitled. You don't really have to name the document. We just name the document just for, I don't know what that is, but maybe na just to just feel organized. But in a long run, you can even leave it untitled and save the document later with the name that you prefer. So let me even do that. I'm not going to change this. I'm not going to change this. I'm going to leave this as RGB. I'm going to, let me just make I just change this one back to letter, right? Or, make I just change that back to A4, right? I will change it to inches because I'm someone who likes to use inches a lot. And then let me just make this landscape, right? Landscape now see the paper 4, right? Paper 4 go the right or 4 go the left. Either way, you just know say e lie down. This one now see the paper stand straight, portrait, right? So I'm going to leave this at 300 dpi because I love me some clarity. And then I'll just press OK. So you see I never do anything much, press OK. And then you have the document open, simple, easy as that, right? So now later maybe you want change the name, if you just come press Ctrl S for here. Either you just touch this save as, or you simply just press Ctrl S. Now before you go ahead and press Ctrl S, you will notice that first of all the Ctrl S e no dey active at the moment. The reason is because this is a blank document that you just opened. You've not done anything, you've not effected any changes. Should you be pressing the Ctrl S? You don't have any business with that. So in order for us to do that, what we are going to do first, just double click for the rectangle, right? And then you discover immediately that Ctrl S is now active. So this untitled now wey dey here, I want to show you another way to change it. What we can do is to now save it. So you go press Ctrl S, or you go click this one, or you go file for the menu, just touch save as or save. So make I just press save now, right? When you save, I have a folder where I can save. I usually don't save in my document. What I do is I go to my local disk E, and then I have this like, you know, very organized folder style. So you can do the same and just where everything is inside your laptop. You don't need to come dey dance too much, come dey play around, alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder again. I'm going to call this folder delete because I'm using it for illustration purposes. Now notice say that untitled wey we leave at the beginning is the original file name that is reflecting here. We go change am. Put your mouse cursor there and then edit it and just say template or example, doesn't really matter, right? So I'm going to save everything, right? And save, right? So now what we don save, I want you to look very closely at this. You see now that the name has changed. So basically that is how you create a new document, and that's how you set up your document. Okay, another question is, now that we have created this A4, I don't want A4, I want that square before. What should I do? It's simple, my friend. Just come to this place here that has these dimensions, right? This dimension, this object sizes. I go just turn here to 8 like this, turn here to 8 like this, turn here to 8 like this, press enter, boom, square, abi? So I fit either choose to design for here based on how I take dey, or I fit decide to just customize the page in itself. Now notice say we dey on A4. Meanwhile, wetin I do now say I clicked on the drawing window. You see this empty white space wey just dey around before this, dis empty white space na wetin we dey call drawing window. Drawing window. Dis one na wetin we dey call the printable page area for CorelDRAW, because anything wey you customize for here na im go show for printout. So we dey call dis one printable page area. Around am we get dis border na im be ruler, right. So we go use am as we dey go along the way, right. So the printable page area, the drawing window. So when I click on drawing window, I fit interact with the main program itself. But if I click on any object wey I draw, I go dey interact with dat object. So watch dis. If I touch dis one, shey see am sey everything don change now. The dimensions are now relative to the object dat I clicked on. However, if I click on the printable page area, or I click on the page on itself, or say I come click on the drawing window, notice I will be interacting again. So dis one now na A4. I go just come here. Dis place now, by the time I change the dimension for here, dis place now go turn to custom. So make I turn here to 8, make I turn here to 8, press enter. See wetin happen? E turn to custom. Why? Because na wetin I choose. So dat is how you can create a new document, and you can switch between whatever it is you want to do. So you can decide to use a square, you can decide to use rectangle, you can use square, triangle. Can we really make dis a triangle? No, we cannot. It has to be four-sided. It has to be four-sided at all times. At all. That leaves me wondering, maybe I could. And I'll try it out, I'll see. Corridor should be able to allow it, but that's just me being weirdly creative. Anywho, that's just it for creating a new document. I'll see you in the next video where we are stepping into level 2. I'll be showing you the main tools and what we can start doing next.